All right, let's get into it. So Colourpop was so nice and sent me the Chop It Like It's Hot collection. So I will be creating this look using the products that are in here. Yeah, so if you want to see how I created this look using those products, please continue to watch. First things first, in the collection, they sent me the Cheek Dew Serum Blush, and I have not ever tried these. They sent me hibiscus, passion flower, and starfruit, and I think I was gonna try starfruit because I think that's cute, but I think instead I'm gonna try hibiscus. So I've not tried the serum blushes from them, so I'm pretty excited. I'm not gonna put a ton because I think when like it first came out, I can't remember if they were pigmented. Oh, it's glossy. I don't know if I like that, to be honest. As like a blush, I'm just gonna apply it with my finger. I like that color a lot, but I don't know how I feel about that texture. It's more like a lip gloss to me, but then it just feels like water on my face, which, I don't know. I don't know how I feel. I'm gonna go back in with the brush and blend that out. I really like the color though. I think that's a gorgeous, gorgeous color. It's not pink, but it's not orange, which I thought it was going to come off a little more orange. What is that middle color? It's not peach either. Like, this is a little elf sponge, and I'm just going to take that and blend this out. I haven't worn a cream blush in a really long time. It's kind of like separated a little bit. Maybe I just need to let it dry a little longer. I don't know. Is it my favorite blush formula? No, like cream blush formula. I don't know how I feel about things being serums, to be honest. I like a little more full coverage than that. I'm gonna have to go back in with some more bronzer to see. This side looks so much better than this side to me, so let me just fix that. It's not my favorite. I mean, I'm not wowed by this, but it's cute. I mean, I don't know. It's just not my favorite, I think. I think I just have so many favorite cream blushes, but I think the color is super cute. I just kind of feel like it looks like I got slapped in the face, but so yeah, I guess we'll just move on. Next up is the eyeshadow palette. This is the Lush Life eyeshadow palette. It's a very pretty palette. I mean, immediately look at that purple. So yeah, I don't know. Let's figure out what we can do with this. I have absolutely no clue what I want to do. Everything in my body is screaming at me to use Monsoon, which is that blue, but I don't know. I'm trying to figure out. I don't know what I want to use. I think what I'm going to do is just coat my eye in Eco, which is this like little orangish kind of neutral shade, and just kind of put that everywhere. Colourpop always has pretty decent eyeshadows. Like, I mean, never really disappointing, at least in the palettes that I've tried. So I'm just going to put this literally everywhere. I actually really like that color. It's like a light yellow almost. The camera angles are gonna switch throughout this, so just bear with me. How about that? Okay. So now I think let's just fucking dip into Monsoon. How about that? Like, we know we're eventually gonna get there, so we might as well head on over. So see what the color's all about. So let's just dip into it. I'm gonna use a Juno & Co. ES07 brush, which I believe you can get 10% off if you use Marvel 10 at checkout. I'll verify that before I put it in the video. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm just gonna put that on the outer corner of my eye. Okay. Not 100% sure still what I want to do, but we'll see. I'm just gonna keep packing that on, I think, and just kind of figure out what the dealio with this is. Then I'm just going to do little tiny circles when we get up here. And now it's turning into like a green with the yellow that we put down earlier, because you know, that's what colors be doing. Now I'm going to take that same shade Eco. I'm going to blend over top of it and get these colors to really mix together and have more of a seamless blend. Yeah, I'm going to take the little bit of On the Prowl, which is a green shade, and just kind of put that right. And I'm still going to use that Juno & Co brush because we have that blue on it, so it'll make it a little more easy to blend out. I'm actually really liking this. I was a little skeptical with this palette because I was like, I don't know how I feel about it, but I'm actually really liking the way this is coming out. Like, this looks really good. So I'm going to take Juicy, very pretty, and just pop that. That is a gorgeous shade. That is so pretty. Wow. Keep kind of packing that on. Very gorgeous. I'm going to take that Juno & Co shade brush and kind of just blend it out. Sorry, I'm in your face. Okay, now for the main event, we're going to dip into Pom Pom, which I'm very excited about because that is a very pretty green. Oh yeah, that is the moment. That is so gorgeous. That is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Okay, now the question is, how am I going to get in my inner corner if I can't get my nail that far into my eyeball? Ow. I'm doing gymnastics over here trying to get this shade in there. Wow, this is a... Wow, I'm going to be honest, very low hopes for this. This is not usually the palette that I would reach for at any given day. Like, I'd be like, next please, but this is really good. Wow. I'm just gonna take that green shade and bring it in. See, do you see how it's not as vibrant without my, what's it called? But this is the M224 brush. I will link it down below, hopefully, maybe if I can find it. Wow, this is gorgeous. How I am a fucking makeup artist, y'all. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So now that's about done. I'm gonna take On the Prowl, which is that darker green, and I'm just gonna lightly, same with that Juno & Co blending brush. I feel like always the lower lash ruins the look for me sometimes. I'm like, oh, I loved it so much, and then you had to add that bullshit. So the next products that they sent me were the cream gel liners. So this is what we have. I'm gonna put the light green one. This is in the shade Aglow. Is it Aglow or Aglow? I don't know, guys, please, I don't know. I'm gonna take this, like, this one and put it in my inner corner, oh my gosh, my, what is this called, lash line? Yeah. I'm gonna take a little bit of the darker green, and this is Canopy, and just kind of put that right here. I don't really know if it's gonna, okay, or just fall off completely. Okay, I mean, okay, maybe I was going a little too hard. I didn't think I was, but okay. I just want to put something right on my lash line. This is like just not really working. how I wanted it to, and low-key kind of ruining what I just worked so hard to create. I guess you can't really tell, but I can, and that bothers me. Okay, these aren't my favorite, but they're not bad. It just completely snapped on me. I think this would be prettier if I could actually like see what I'm doing, but I can't. Okay, that's like not terrible. Yeah, these were not my fave. Not my fave. I'm gonna go put mascara on and some lip liner, and I will be right back. Okay, let's finish this video. I quickly lined my lips with the Vive Modern Lip Definer in the shade Brat. But I think I kind of want to do like I don't know, which one should I do? A part of me, the normal part of me, the safe part of me, wants to use Peace Lily, but I just feel like that we need to spice it up just a little bit. So I'm debating between the orange shade Orchid or Vanda. I don't know, because I know they're not going to be that pigmented. I think I kind of want to go with this. Okay, let's try it out. I've never tried the Luxe lip gloss either, so I'm actually pretty excited about that. That is gorgeous. It's a lot thicker than I thought. I'm going to put actually a little bit of Orchid on there too, because like, who said I can't? Okay, so that is the finished look. I think the most outstanding product for me was the eyeshadow palette. Like, I really did not think I was gonna like that at all, and I think it's stunning. I absolutely love how that turned out. In second place would be probably the lip glosses, although I'm not the, like, they're kind of really thick, but I mean, they're still really pretty, super cute. You can just throw these in your bag as like a backup lip gloss. In third place, I'll do the blush because, I mean, it looks pretty. It just wasn't my absolute favorite go-to. But yeah, I mean, it's super cute, super natural. And then in last place are these liners. I don't know. Maybe it was just like the way I was using them, but they weren't that. Oh, whoa. Guys, why didn't I use that? If I just put like a little bit right there. I just put a little bit. Okay, that's gorgeous actually. Wow. Okay, so that is really pretty. Wow, I really like that. Okay, yeah. So yeah, maybe the cheek dew comes in last because I actually really liked that yellow liner. That's really pretty. Okay, I'm done. All right, so yeah, so that is the final look. Everything will be linked down below, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you want to see more daily content from me, my TikTok and Instagram, I post daily. So yeah, I hope you have a good one, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!